We're here today with our man of the match, Kylan Smith, hat-trick hero. First of all, speak to me about today's performance. How do you feel after winning by such a big margin?
Well, all not change session now. Just listen to the coach there and we execute. Stick to the game plan and play some ball, have some fun.
Hydel seems to be much better this year than they were last year and in years past. What do you think is the reason for Hydel improving so dramatically?
Love and happiness. Cheering with love and happiness.
We've seen some new players being introduced to Hydel High School. What are your thoughts on getting in some new players in the program?
Most of we have like last season, so young player, Hydel, building young player, so them can come.
Alright, you scored 3 goals today. Speak to me about how it feels getting on the score sheet not once, not twice, but 3 times.
No, natural thing, man. I'm not the first, but it's a great feeling.
So can we expect to be seeing Smith scoring more and more goals this season in the Manning Cup?
For sure.
And how far can we see Hydel going forward after building off such a resounding win?
Just to play some ball, have some fun. We are go for the Manning Cup. We are go for the Chi Cup.
Alright, good game.
Respect.
This are That Sports TV's man of the match today.